Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at evaluating exponential functions, so let's begin. Alright, so to evaluate these exponential functions, what we want to do is just plug in the given value. In this case, they give us x is equal to 4. So we're going to replace x with 4, okay? So I'm going to plug in 4 here. F of 4 is what we're looking for. And instead of raising 9 to x, we're going to raise it to 4. Okay, so then I just type this in my calculator, 9 to the 4th, and whatever my answer is, that's my answer. In this case, when I type it in, I get 6,561. All right, let's take a look at another example. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to plug in -4. When you deal with negative, you usually get a decimal. Okay, but that's okay. We're just going to plug in the same thing. I'll do x is equal to -4. Replace the x's with -4. Okay, and we're going to raise this to the -4. So f to the -4 is going to be equal to 0.0625. And if you want, you can put the 0 in front like that. Alright, so next, let's try another example. Okay, now here we have an exponential function with a different base, meaning the beginning is not 1, it's going to begin at a different number. So here, you see how we have two numbers here, 15 and 5. But that's okay, we keep the same process. Now here we don't have f of x, we just have y, but that's okay as well. We're just going to plug in the x that's given. It wants to plug in 3, so we plug in 3 here. And you do 5 to the 3rd, and whatever you get there, you multiply times 15. Or you just type it in the calculator and get 1,875. Okay, so something to keep in mind here, if this number here is negative, make sure you put it in parentheses. But it's probably a good habit just to put this in parentheses anyway. So just put this in parentheses. And I keep it from messing with this 15 here. Alright, let's take a look at our last example here. Got to put parentheses right here. Alright, so now we're going to plug in this -3. So write that a little better. -3. Plug in that -3. Type all of this in the calculator. And our y will be equal to 0.096. And that's it. That is evaluating exponential functions. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.